Today, we will listen to a short English composition called
My living room. My living room is not very large, but it is cozy, comfortable, and full of light. It is the place where my family spends most of our time together. For me, the living room is not just a space with furniture, but the heart of our home, where we relax and share important moments. In the middle of the room, there is a soft sofa and 2 armchairs arranged around a small coffee table. We usually sit there in the evening to watch television, talk about our day, or play board games. The sofa is my favourite place because I can stretch out and feel completely relaxed. On one side of the room, there is a large television placed on a simple cabinet. Next to it, there are shelves with books, photo frames, and small decorations. The photos remind us of family holidays and special events. They make the living room feel warm and personal. There is also a big window that lets in plenty of natural light during the day. The curtains are light and colourful, and they move gently when the window is open. Sometimes I stand by the window and look outside, especially when it is raining or snowing. In one corner of the room, there is a small lamp that gives a soft light in the evening. It creates a calm and peaceful atmosphere. We often gather in the living room during weekends to watch movies or simply spend time together. I truly love my living room because it brings my family closer. In my opinion, it is the most welcoming room in our house and the perfect place to relax after a long day.